To get started in Practical's Map the World contest, install and launch the Practical Mapping app. Gaze at the nearest wall and you'll be presented a registration code. Go to leaderboard.practicalvr.com. In the top right, click on the code button. Type in the registration code. Now type in the desired mapper tag and your email. Confirm that you are at least 18 of age and that you agree to the contest rules. Then begin mapping your space by following the whisper round and collecting the blue tokens. When finished mapping, collect the golden token to submit your map. After submission, you'll be presented a visualization code. Now go back to leaderboard.practicalvr.com, type in the visualization code, and you can now zoom and rotate the point cloud viewer to see your point cloud. You can easily share the point cloud view by sharing the URL with your visualization code, or click on the snapshot button and share the view on social media.